It's Tuesday and it's time to tap. Today we're tapping standing. You can of course sit if you'd like. Either way, have your feet connected to the ground. We'll start tapping the side of the hand. Again, you can watch the intro video if you've never tapped or jump right in with us. We move from here to the inner eyebrow. Breathing and tapping. Coming right in to awareness and focus on my body and on this moment, on my breath and on this moment. Outer eye, outer eye. You can tap with one hand or both, like taking a break without the smoking. A tapping break, so good for you. Let's go under the eye. Again, my glasses are on. I can go right underneath the glasses. Under the eye, tapping, breathing, noticing. Under the nose. And to the chin. More effort to stand for tapping, but kind of nice to like stand in your power, stand in your light and connect. Just below the collarbones, tapping and breathing. Side of the rib cage. I'm letting this top arm relax. I don't want shoulder in the ear. Tapping. Side of the rib cage, underneath the arm. Either side is fine, and you're breathing. And all the way to the crown of the head. I've got to go right in front of my bun. Breathe and tap. Pausing. Take a breath in. Breath out through the nose if possible. Breathe in. Breathe out. Once more. And for April 22, Tuesday, let's do 2 rounds. So we'll do one more round. I'm going to tap on the other hand. Side of hand, tapping, noticing. How is your breath? Maybe you're sitting for this round. Feel the feet on the ground. Inner eyebrow. Outer eye. You're focused on the tapping and on the breath. That brings you right into this moment, present moment, the best one, present. Under the eye. Maybe hitting the glasses. Breath in, breath out. Under your nose. One hand or the other. Onto your chin, under the bottom lip. Underneath your collarbones. You can close your eyes or have your eyes open. We're taking a few minutes to tune in, to check in, to be here now. And we go to the side underneath the arm, letting that top arm relax, tapping the side of your rib cage, tapping, breathing. All the way to the crown of your head, tapping. Releasing, breathing, noticing how you feel. Can you take another minute here to breathe and to just be? Thank you for tapping. See you soon.